So we have some great news finally this morning. Like I told you all would happen, that today is very likely that after Jerome Powell opens his mouth, the market would take off in a big way and most likely going to be green. That's exactly what has happened, guys. Look at this. Look at this. Ethereum, just for example's sake, Ethereum right before the Fed meeting bottomed out, and then we hit a top, guys. Ethereum was up over 12% today. If you would have bought the exact bottom, you would be up 12% for Ethereum. That's not only the only cryptos that are moving, guys. The whole crypto market is starting to recover very strong. And the only reason why the crypto market was going red was because of people were fearful of a particular event which never even happened. So this event that everyone feared actually turned out to be a very bullish and good thing. So in this video, we are going to be talking about the whole crypto market and now what is next. Are we going to be recovering? Are we going to see some massive pumps the month of December like we finally all been waiting for? Are we going to have a good Christmas, a happy Hanukkah, a Merry Kwanzaa? All of this we're going to be talking about in this video, so make sure you stay tuned. You cannot miss it. What's up, Miles? It's ladies and gentlemen here. Make sure you subscribe with notifications on. Blow up the comment section, hit that like button. Follow all of my socials, especially my Instagram and my Twitter. And remember, I will never ask you for money. Those are scammers. People in the comments, people with fake accounts on Instagram asking you for money, asking you to trade with them. They're scammers. Stay away. And make sure you smash up the like button to an all-time high like you've never smashed it up before. Make some noise for the algorithm. And also make sure you join the Patreon right now. We are making money even when the market is bearish, even when the market is red. We have the exposure to some of the best cryptocurrencies out there. Now on the Patreon, I give you my buy and sell alerts. You can message me every single day. Me personally, I will actually answer your message. You can even talk to me on the phone, literally, where we can go over your current portfolio, move some things around. I can tell you about some of the best projects that you cannot miss. So go ahead and check that out. I also have a free Discord which you can join. There's over 6,000 members. But last but not least, guys, do not forget to get your 5 free stocks worth up to $8,000. It's free money. All you have to do is open up a WEBULL account. Use that link in my video description. Deposit 1 penny or more, and they will send you 5 free stocks worth up to $8,000, which you can sell, buy cryptos with, do whatever you want. But let's go ahead and dive straight into this content. So as I have said, as I have been telling you guys this week, that is very likely after Jerome Powell opens his mouth that the market was going to take off in a good way, a very positive way. And that is exactly what had happened, because Jerome Powell, when there's a lot of fear in the market, this guy basically, his word determines the market, whether people are going to live, whether people are going to die. So he knows what to say when times are scary, when times are red. And that's what the government does. They have to fluff things up. They have to make things seem really what they're actually not. So hey, it's good for us, at least for the short term. They talked about inflation. They talked about a whole bunch of things and their plan to combat inflation, about interest rates and so forth. And basically what he said was very pleasing to Wall Street and the big whales. So this is what we absolutely needed. Now, if he would have said a bad word or a wrong word once, the whole market could have seen a bigger crash. Yes, that was certainly a possibility that could have easily happened. So the reason why the crypto market was red all week and the week before that, part of it was due to this, because people were extremely fearful about inflation, as we have seen it break records, and also what the Fed would say about inflation today. So it ended up not being a terrible thing. It ended up being a good and bullish thing. That's why we are seeing the market recover, and the market is now surely recovering, which is a good sign to see. Now, it doesn't mean that we cannot crash tomorrow, that we're going to 100% go up tomorrow or the next couple of days. Doesn't mean that, but the chance of us continuing to recover and to see some green the next couple of days, the next couple of weeks, is actually very high. Now, Jerome Powell, he did not only address inflation, but he addressed the sickness that has been going around, saying it's actually not too bad. That's also a very good thing to see. So that's why we're seeing, it says the markets rally after the FOMC meeting. And look at this, the crypto fear and greed index, guys, has actually popped up, which we know that when there is extreme fear, guys, we know that extreme fear is also a sign of the bottom of a bearish market, the bottom of a correction, which we are now appearing to break out of. We're going to be taking a look at the charts in just a minute to see where we are headed, because we are now looking very good. But let's first start off with coin market cap. So a lot of things were pretty red today, like Ethereum was down 5%, 6%. Now Ethereum's up over 5% today. A lot of cryptocurrencies are up. Look at Solana, the number 5th cryptocurrency, the number 5 cryptocurrency, up 11%. We have Avalanche, 16%, guys. This thing is on a freaking tear. Look at this. We have Polygon, number 14 now, up 9%. A lot of these cryptocurrencies I do mention to get you involved with in the Patreon. You guys should definitely join it. But guys, the market is looking like we're starting to see a recovery. Now, when the market was at its peak, we are nearly a $3 trillion market cap. And if we take a look right here, it says the whole cryptocurrency ecosystem is up 2.5%. And we are now worth a total of all the cryptocurrencies together, $2.25 trillion. When this number gets over $3 trillion, guys, we are going to be making some big moves, some big pumps. So keep your eyes open for that. We are going to keep our eyes open for that. Now, what we are seeing is a very good thing is that Bitcoin is almost over $50,000 again. When Bitcoin breaks $50,000 and then it breaks $52,000 and then $54,000, the whole cryptocurrency market is surely in a recovery mode. So when we see Bitcoin and Ethereum start to do some big things, when they start to recover here strong, that is a very good sign for us to know that a lot of these altcoins that we have, like Dogecoin and Shiba Inu, will be taking off like crazy. So here we have it. Let me show you this. This is some technical analysis right here. So TechDev, a guy that we always use on our channel, a guy on Twitter, he monitors the very strong intricacies of the whole crypto market. And what he is showing is that there is a hidden bullish divergence here, which also signals a bottom indicator. A lot of times, guys, when this very exact indicator pops up, like I have showed you guys this past weekend, that we're looking like we're about to recover. When this indicator pops up, it also shows a strong recovery is underway, like a huge bounce, a huge pump, guys. We are due for a major pump here very, very soon. So we need to be very excited for that. But let's go ahead and dive into some technical analysis. So yesterday, guys, what had happened was we actually started to break out with a W pattern or an inverse head and shoulders. What we see here is an inverse head and shoulders, and we actually broke this neckline here, which is a resistance level. So we ended up breaking the resistance level, but early this morning, because of the fears of the Fed meeting, caused us to come all the way down in a very fast way and hit the bottom level of support. We actually made a new low, which is very interesting to see on the smaller time frames. But what also happened is right before the Fed meeting, the market started to turn green. The market started to turn green, and ever since then, the market has been up and has popped up very, very fast. So we just broke resistance levels that we have not seen since around the 10th of September. So what we are doing right now is we are continuing this reversal, and we are headed up. So now what needs to happen is Ethereum needs to break $4,100 to $4,200. When Ethereum breaks this level, guys, that means that also a lot of these altcoins are going to follow Ethereum and make some big moves. Also, if we take a look at the Bitcoin chart, basically the same thing needs to happen. Bitcoin needs to continue this reversal pattern, and the next levels of resistance, guys, are only about 3% away, 3 to 5% away. If Bitcoin can break another 5% to the upside, this is going to be a very good sign that the reversal has started and that we are going to continue in this bullish pattern, this bullish formation, which means that we are going to start bouncing up very soon. And when Bitcoin and Ethereum start bouncing up, when they start moving, that means Dogecoin, Ethereum, XRP, all of the altcoins will also start to move. We need to pay attention to Bitcoin and Ethereum to follow if the crypto market is going to be recovering and if these altcoins are going to be looking good. So taking a look at Shiba Inu, guys, is actually literally just consolidating right now. We are starting to see some green, but Shiba Inu needs the strength of the market from Bitcoin and Ethereum to start to bounce up. We need that for Shiba Inu. Also Dogecoin, guys. Dogecoin is actually starting to see a lot of green, and we are continuing as well. We are at about 18 cents, and it's very likely that we could pop up into the 20-cent range here very soon. And if Bitcoin and Ethereum continue their reversal, Dogecoin here could see 25 cents to close to 30 cents in the next coming weeks. And we could be at all-time highs, guys, by Christmas. That's certainly a possibility. If things continue bullish, and there is good news out there for Christmas, for the next holidays, guys, we could have a very good holiday season. So we're going to be keeping our eye on the market and what's happening. I'm going to be giving you a close detailed attention alerts in the Patreon, constant updates to let you guys know what is happening. So if you've got something out of this video so far, please give this video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. I really am appreciative of all the support you give this channel. Blow up the comment section. Make sure you check out the I Trust Capital link where you can trade cryptocurrencies tax-free, get your free money from WEBULL, join the Patreon, join the Discord, it's free. A whole bunch of great stuff for you guys. And you have a great night.